Hey guys, Lauren here. I'm at our Pleasanton aesthetic studio, and I wanted to take a minute to talk a little bit about our newest aesthetic treatment, glacialrx. This treatment is amazing. It's an incredible experience. It helps to down-regulate melanocytes, which means we're controlling the amount of brown spots and facial irregularities. We're helping to shrink pores, reducing rosacea. Patients get really phenomenal results with glacialrx that typically can only be achieved with things like lasers or IPL. But glacialrx rivals these treatments with cold technology. It's a cryoaesthetic based technology that feels amazing on your skin, and you don't have to deal with any downtime. You don't have to worry about staying out of the sun or having to take time off work to heal from your treatment. Give us a call at 925-329-6333 to experience this amazing technology.